Welcome. In front of me I have Doogee X100 and I'm going to show you how you can customize keyboard theme with your picture. So we can go for the settings. Then we have to scroll down, tap on the system, click on the languages and input, select the virtual keyboard and go with the keyboard that you are using, enter theme, and here we have to tap on the My Themes right here. Wait until all of these pictures loading on our screen. Okay, as you can see, they are not loading, so we have to select picture. Maybe I can go for this one. Here we have to pitch, scale or drag the picture. Click next, and we can also set up here the transparency, and I think that I'm going to set up this one. Click done, and there's how your theme is going to look when you tap on the apply. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!